Alright, this will be a fairly quick video. Just filling your own tea bags. Some of you that have chosen to follow my channel probably of the same mind and probably have your own tea bags. Anyhow, but you can, if you're not hip to it or if you don't know, you can usually go to a place like Whole Foods or Herbal store or something like that, and you get your own, fill your own tea bags. And what you really need is like a teaspoon and an iron or a curling iron. This is kind of a flat curling iron my daughter uses. Make sure that the surface is clean. You can wipe them down before you use them. And so I'm just going to open this up, and I have some chamomile powder for making some chamomile tea bags. So I'm just going to open this up. And essentially the way these are designed, and there's like 50 in this packet, is I can take the tea bag here and just kind of pull them apart. There's like 50 of them, and they're kind of set up like, this one looks kind of ripped up. That's not a good one. All right, this looks good. And you gotta find the opening on these. You just kind of do it like that. And then I've got a little bowl here that I can take my teaspoon, take my powder, like so, and then I can commence to filling these up. And then what spills into the jar, or excuse me, the bowl, I can reuse. Like so. So this is kind of busy work, something you kind of can do while you're listening to a podcast or watching TV or something like that. Especially if you got a lot of tea. Alright? So I usually cap this up in case I knock it over. Don't want to make a mess. And then what you do is you take your iron or your curling iron and you just seal it, and then they seal by heat. About 10-20 seconds, and then it's all set and ready to use, like that. Really simple, really easy to do. Just set this aside and do another. So again, like I said, this is just a quick video. Like if you didn't know about these products, now you know, and you can go out and get your own. And you know, if you have raw materials, raw herbs, powdered herbs, then you can go ahead and make your own tea bags or tea blends, and it works just like a tea bag. The only thing is they don't have the cool little string that you can just kind of dip into your cup. I suppose you could probably staple one to the bag with your own custom tag, and there you go. So that's about it. So that's pretty much how you do it, real quick and easy. Nothing very exciting.